Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a green screen. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To use a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps. Alright, so number one, of course, is to import your footage. Once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project, or open the project that you are currently using, import the videos with the green screen background or the background footage you want to replace with. Alright, so here, you can simply go to the file, click the import, or press the Ctrl+I key on your keyboard, or Command+I if you are using Mac. Let's do that. Once the file has been loaded to the left side panel of your dashboard, you see this. All right, I'm gonna drag. So first off is drag the background first, which is gonna be this photo. I want to use this photo right here. Must grab it all the way here. And the next thing is, if you wanted to drag the video that you wanted to be replaced using the green screen, you should drag it on top of the background, like this one right here. All right, so you have to maximize it all the way through. You can also scrub it just to check where your video's at. So around just here. Now, after that, I want you to click the effects panel. If you can't find the effects panel here, click the window, go to the effects, or press Shift+7 on your keyboard, and what will happen is the effects will be shown here in the left side panel of your dashboard. And from here, type in Ultra key. You see this? Now, if you can also use this forward button. If you right click on it, you should be able to see the effects panel. All right, click the Ultra key and then drag the Ultra key to your green screen. Do not place it on the background, all right? Because we're going to apply the green screen effect here. Once you do that, I want you to click the effects control where we can manually tweak the settings. I want you to hover down to the bottom. Right here, all I have to do is click this key dropper. Now I'm going to scrub it just to make sure that the green screen is playing perfectly well and sitting around with our video. All right, so that it's kind of fast. So when you go to the key color, I want you to click the color picker right here. Select. You want to make sure that you are selecting the green screen video or clip, not the background. Click the color picker on the green. What will happen is the background has been removed and you were able to use the green screen without any problem successfully. Now, I want you to select the this tool right here, because we can drag obviously the green screen through whatever we wanted here. We can make it a bit bigger, right, to maximize the full screen right here. So after that, let's try to play it through to see what we got from here, right? Seemingly enough, I am really happy with how it looks. So in this case, I think we are all set. With that, clips already taken place. Since we're happy with it, the next thing that we're going to do is go to the file, go to export, go to media, and you can export it to different file formats to whatever you like. MP4, AVI, you name it. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.